David.
Yep. Where you at?
The Little America.
Little. Is it little?
I guess so. I've never been to the Grand
17 floors. Well, the little...
Compared to where I've been in the world,
the Little America was built before the Grand America.
Really?
And it was always called the Little America.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know why.
Me neither.
Oh, we've got one of those butlers.
Yep.
Blake has one of those.
Yeah. Dogs by the fireplace.
Yes, they do. Got dogs by your fireplace?
Piano. Oh, it's locked.
Oh, that's sad. You should be able to play it.
The primary songs, that's all I play.
In the Grand America, they have somebody playing in their lobby. Some figurines. So anyway, we're supposed to be talking about yesterday, not today.
Oh, okay. Yesterday.
Yesterday, we went to my reunion.
Yes, we did.
Because we didn't do that today, but that's a secret.
Part of your reunion.
Yes. Picnic part of my reunion.
Yeah. Was that so much fun?
Sure.
Did you see so many people?
So many people.
Like 10, maybe?
The most important ones.
Yeah.
Nobody else showed up. Yeah.
Slackers.
I know. Slackers.
Go look in the mirror.
That'll be better.
Okay.
Then we can talk.
Yep. They're slackers. We went to a reunion. And we had KFC. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, that was our day yesterday.
Oh, we played with Dallin and Gracie all day.
That was fun. Maybe we should cut to that video, huh? Or was that our vlog from the day before?
That was the vlog yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
well, you saw that then. But
forget that until now.
Until now.
This is ridiculous.
I know. Whose idea was this?
I don't know. Okay. Anything else happened yesterday you want to talk about?
No.
Okay. Cool. Well, say something reunion-y.
What have people been saying? I don't think they said anything.
What are you up to?
So where are you at now?
Yeah. And we say LA and everyone goes, oh, living big.
You guys got out.
Yeah. Yep.
Great.
That's reunion. Okay, well, see you later.
Bye.